Well, here's the back of my work truck, and it's what we're going to do is take the box off the top, and we're going to replace it with a flatbed. And the reason is, after all these years in the pool chemicals, it's just rusted really bad. It's everywhere. Holes. Poor R2-D2. I'm going to lose all these nice Navajo and North Rim stickers. Rot. Just rotted. I tried to paint it over, but so we just emptied everything, and what I like, let me open up some of these cabinets here. Oh, look at all that rot. I gotta get rid of this before I bring it in. So that's just, Lord, rotted steel. There's holes down there. You can see the ground. There's a big hole here. These chemicals just did a number on this truck. See all that? This thing has done its job over the years, over the decades. Good job. However, we can go up to the next section here. That's nuts, huh? Look at all that rot. Yep. Adios. You've been good, but we're gonna try to make it better. Show you this. This is it holds pipe, long pieces, like 7-foot pieces of pipe, but you can see the bottom is just rotted out from the rainwater. And at the front too. See that big gap and all that white in the front? So, it's rust everywhere. This stuff, you can work with it, but a lot of it, we can't. Everything is rusty on this thing. This door is just about falling off here. Okay, so this is going to be replaced with a flatbed. Okay, so this is some of the lumber that we're going to use. For decking, we're going to use this. It is decking, and I believe we'll be okay. We're not going to put heavy things on there. And of course, we got the pressure-treated 4x4s. We got 3 of them. I believe that'll be enough, but we'll see. So, got some good-looking wood. We're going to let it dry out for a few days. It's Saturday. On Monday, the mechanic gets the truck, and we'll probably get it back Tuesday or Wednesday. Then we can bring it back here and start working on it. Yep, it's going to be a pretty good-looking truck.